Wow. Let's set her down for a second. I arrived at my spot. I mean, that's just a beast to ride. It's got the Lectron Carb in it. I hope you can see that. Which basically, I didn't fully understand yet how it works, but it's supposed to only draw as much fuel as the engine needs. And I didn't get my head wrapped around the theory, but in reality it seems to work quite well. And there's also an Italian branded exhaust system on it, full system with the header pipe and the exhaust. It's got the silent baffle in it, but yeah, you heard it. It's really loud. So I am probably gonna change the header and the muffler to the OEM one, which I do have. There's a bash plate on it, which is quite nice. I did fit a new mask in front with the normal light, which is enough for me. There were some LEDs on before, but they're not street legal here, so I swapped over to this one. Yeah, it's got even the modified intake here. And what else is about this bike? It's got now 11,779 kilometers on it, so yeah, it's quite fresh, even though it has some signs of wear, but I'm gonna polish it up and make it shine like new, or maybe not like new, because the last one I had was basically brand new, and then I was scared to ride it because I didn't want to damage anything. One nice thing as well is the seat, concept seat. That's really comfortable on the bike. It makes it makes it night and day difference from the original one. And of course the IMS fuel tank, which holds, I don't know, a few gallons, around 20 liters. And yeah, that's it. So as you see, the wheel bearing here is toast. I can actually wiggle around the wheel quite a bit. So I need to fix that, and also fix the rear brake, which is not working as I intended to use. And other than that, she's in quite good shape. Of course, she has some signs of usage, but she was just treated the way such a bike should be treated. Yes, I hope you're gonna have fun with the riding footage. So yeah, let's cut to that. See you guys in a bit.
Wühlt, Alter! Ja, genau, ey.